channel World of AWS. I hope you all are doing good. We are continuing with shell scripting tutorial for DevOps, and in previous video we have seen like how we can manage environment variable in shell script. Okay, and now we are going to see how we can write shell script to check website status. Okay, suppose if you have XYZ website running and you want to monitor the website availability, so how you can write the script and how you can monitor the website. Okay, so let me jump here. Okay, and here I have written this web script, okay, to check the website, that is example.com. Just I am taking the example. So first I am defining one function here, that is check website. Okay, so if you don't know how to define function, then you can refer to my previous video, and there we are giving one function, that is $1, whatever argument we are passing. Okay, so I have already shown you there how we can pass the argument in any function. Okay, so then after that we are passing another argument, and we are using here call command to connect with our website. Okay, and hyphen s, I have written here. So hyphen s flag makes sure operate the silent mode. Like whenever we use hyphen s flag in our shell script, okay, then it makes sure that it whatever script is running, it running in the silent mode, and it won't disturb any other task. Okay, whatever task is running in background. So then after that we have defined hyphen o as well, and then dev null. Okay, and then after that hyphen w flag we have used, and we have used HTTP code to fetch the HTTP code of our website. Then we have defined one variable here, that is URL. We have defined a variable here as well, that is URL, right? So whatever argument we are passing here, that will be fetched using shell script, and that will be get executed. So we are hyphen o dev null discard the response body. So hyphen 0 hyphen o, sorry, hyphen o and dev null used to discard the response body of our website. Okay, and hyphen w we are also using, and HTTP code as well. Okay, so instruct curl to print only HTTP response mode. Okay, so what it will do exactly, it will just look for HTTP status. If HTTP status is 200, then our website is available, and if HTTP status is rather than 200, anything like 503, 401 or something like that, then our website will be not available. Okay, so as you can see here, we are writing our condition using if else. So if dollar response, okay, so here we have defined this in the function. If dollar response is equal to 200, then echo website is up and running, and else website is down. Okay, if it's not able to find the response code with 200, okay, so then after that it will print the message that our website is down. And I have already shown you like how we can call the function. We just have to use the function name that we have defined here, right, to call the function. So we are calling the function, and we are giving the our domain name, that is in our case example.com. Okay, so this is how we can write our script to monitor any website. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you have any query regarding this shell script, then you can put in the comment section. And thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and happy learning. See you in the next video.